The other one.
No, because that's burnt to a bit. Don't use it.
Oh, please.
No.
Please.
No.
It's out, man.
Anyone want to get wool?
No, fuck off, man.
Dan, job for you.
That was pretty funny.
David, there's another.
Right, leave it now, leave it. Don't soak it anymore.
You don't need the dust. You don't need it. It'll catch.
That'll do.
Right, leave it like that. We don't want it getting out of control, please.
It won't. It'll all just burn down.
Turn the plastic.
Don't inhale the fumes.
Turn the
You'll
hose
get
off.
giddy. Can out the way if I was you.
Tom, you're gay.
I'm Australian. I'm not gay, I'm Australian.
Close enough.
This is what I call Outback Barbie. Now all we need is a crocodile.
What for?
You too! You got my fucking ass wet. You got me fucking ass wet.
This could just go any time.
Nah, I couldn't.
That's
There's still deodorant on the
good
other side, that's
old-fashioned
the left.
Australian.
I don't go.
Outback
It
Barbie.
was light up.
Oh wow, it's burning green. The
It's
plastic
plastic.
burns green.
Well, that's actually nice.
I will-
Green flame, guys. You can't even tell it's green on this, but they.
Put some more.
Oh, no, yeah.
No,
stuff that burns
no,
green.
leave it. Seriously. No, just leave it, Tom. Look, it's burning anyway. You don't need it.
No,
If
but
you
I
put any
want
more,
it
just
to
go.
burn green.
David,
Blow on
don't be
the
silly.
ember.
You guys so aren't pyromaniacs.
Right.
Yeah.
We're not. We haven't set a light to ourselves yet, like Mark.
Can we stick
Do you remember that?
nipples?
Mark's lights his pubes at any given moment.
Can we stick the plastic on pretty
Stick it on, stick it on. Go
What?
on, chuck it on the top.
Don't spray it.
My feet are well warm.
Oh!
Look at
that
the
was
shrivel.
amazing.
Go, wait.
Go on,
Come on,
go
set
green.
on fire. Come on, set
It
green.
is on fire.
Go green. Go green.
It went green a bit then.
Green.
We pack this all away tomorrow, like bin it.
Yeah.
Just get a big black sack when everyone's cooled off and stick it in a skip somewhere. Don't do it too far away.
Do it right.
No, won't it just come up and get me?
Campfires.
Oh, what's the burning ring of fire?
Tiki
Sorry,
torch.
it was an appropriate sound.
Torch of tiki. I shouldn't have shown you that deodorant thing, should I?
No. Too late now, Dave.
You got to spray your
Do you
hand.
remember that song we had to do in middle school?
Go on then, Dan.
What?
The Jerry Lewis, Great Balls of Fire.
Dan's
Can
gonna
you-
spray his
Shameful.
hand.
Wait, can you please chuck
Mr.
me a
Powell.
napkin? Chuck me a napkin. Not literally. Or else I'm going to get set alight.
Pass that to her.
Dave, I want both.
Right, give me one.
Boo.
Oh, fuck it, I'll do it.